So where are we going today?
We are going to the Raptor House.
What is the Raptor House?
It's a watchtower in West Virginia.
West.
It's right on the border of Virginia and West Virginia. But it's inside West Virginia.
Okay, today is Saturday, so it's take 2.5 hour drive there. We're gonna go try to go see what the Raptor House is. Never been there. I don't have intention to go, but she has intention to go see it, and we'll see what it looks like, what it is. So just bear with us. We'll take you to see the Raptor House. Is that park? Just park right at the door, or you have to hike
You
up?
have to hike 0.9 miles.
Okay, that means a mile up.
Yeah, not really a mile. 0.9.
0.9, it's a mile.
0.9 miles up. I've never been there, but it looks like it's gonna be a steep hike, a good incline.
So let's go and see what's going on. Beginning our trip. Today it's about 90, 91, 92 degrees outside. Right now it's almost noon. It's 90 degrees outside. So right now we are Roanoke going to the AP Trail. They call, what is it called?
McAfee Knob.
So we're gonna go across that parking lot where, like 2 years ago, there's two people that they commit suicide in the parking lot, right?
Yes, it's a murder suicide.
So we start climbing up, and you say they're gonna build a bridge across from parking lot to the other side?
Yeah, so the parking lot that we always go to, it's closed down because they're making a walk bridge.
Oh, there's the bridge.
Oh yeah, so
They built.
so they are building this bridge. So,
Crossing bridge. There you go.
yeah. You know, I think this one takes us to Dragon Tools. Or is it? Yeah, it is Dragon's Tools. Because last time we went to Tinker's Cliff and then we somehow end up on this road and we're like, hey, we've been on this road before.
So behind us is Tinker's Cliff or McAfee now.
No, back there behind us is McAfee Knob, and then
Tinker's Cliff.
we're going towards Dragon's Tools right now. And then past Dragon's Tools is gonna be Tinker's Cliff.
What? No.
Yeah,
No.
right?
No. Tinker's Cliff is behind McAfee now. I think up the mountain, those rock up here is Dragon's Tooth.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, it looks like it.
Yep. I think you are
So
right.
that's Dragon's Tooth. Those two rocks up there. This mountain here.
The entrance to Dragon Tools is on my left.
Yeah,
Right here.
right here is the parking lot. Go up to Dragon's Tooth. Right there. That's what I say. So we continue our trip, moving on. Just look at this mountain. It looks beautiful and peaceful. We almost there. We had about 9 minutes.
No, 9 miles.
9 minutes.
Oh yeah, 9 minutes. 3.5 miles.
3.5 miles to go to the parking lot. So we're almost there. Wow, looks pretty good. We are looking good in the car. And
Yeah, we have the AC
the
on.
reflection and the light, it's pretty cool. We are pretty close. Are you excited to go see what you're here to see?
Yes, I'm always excited.
She likes to drive. She likes to go somewhere.
Yeah, I am your personal chauffeur. If you don't have any place to go, I have plenty of places to take you.
You see right here? You see how curvy that is? Where is it? Right here. That is crazy curve.
I need to focus.
We're almost there, like a minute to go. So let's hope that thing turn out to be very good.
And you will arrive at your destination.
They say here, Allegheny
Allegheny Trail.
Hanging Rock, right here. Here's the parking lot.
It's the parking lot.
Only one car or one truck. So this is where we're gonna go. We're gonna hike all the way there to see what it's like. So we'll see. Hanging Rock Observatory building. So we start getting our stuff ready to go.
Do we need bear spray?
No, I think it should be good. You should remember your banana there.
Yeah, I did not eat breakfast, so I need that banana to have energy to hike there.
Man. Just open road there, open path there. Why we need a map? So here we go. This is the start of the trail, the parking lot. And this is the start the trail go up to Hanging Rock.
Observatory.
There's a house up there, so the building or what? It's a observation house up there. So we're gonna go up there and see what it's like and what you can see, how far we can see. This is called Hanging Rock Lookout. Appalachian Trail here to Appalachian Trail is a 12.1 mile. Sugar Camp 17. Allegheny Trail. That's what this is called. So, what does that say?
Rock monsters.
The path is not flat, it's kind of steep. Very good incline. Let's go. do. It has consequence.
This kind of reminds me. Yesterday I was on Facebook and I was looking through my newsfeed, and there's this cartoon.
It's a memory. Consider that have memory. Like 200 yards, and you take a break.
Cute.
What is it?
Rumor has that dance
Right there. Oh wow. Big, big, big boulder.
This girl says, people, I didn't realize that people say that you are what you eat, and I can't believe I'm nuts. Get it? Because he eats nuts, and
Yeah,
you
that's-
are what you eat. And
The squirrel's nuts, eating nuts.
yeah, I thought that was really funny.
You are what you eat.
Oh.
You never know.
They'll wrestle you down.
These boulders looks like may make a fence.
Probably like a fort back in the old days where they're having war.
Possible. So far, it's not too bad. It's about 300-400 yards up. How are you?
Good.
How's up there?
Pretty good view.
Pretty good view?
Yeah.
Are you the only one up there?
No,
There's people up there?
my parents are coming back,
Oh, okay.
so you'll have the place to yourself.
Oh,
nice.
you guys must be the big truck in the parking lot.
yeah.
Okay. See- Well,
We have to get the house to ourselves.
you meet that guy, he say, not many people, it's only him and his parents. So his parents, they are the only people that drive that big red truck in the parking lot. So by the time we get up there, there's probably no one up there but us, by ourselves.
Which is a good thing.
Good thing?
These tulips, I want to take a picture of them.
What do you mean tulips?
They're lilies. Oh,
Tulip or lily?
lily.
Let's see if it tastes good.
Yes.
It's gotta be sweet because in the sunlight.
Here, you take the first bite in
Go
case
for
if you fall.
Go ahead. Sweet?
Very sour.
Oh, really?
They're pretty big.
I hear people's voice, so must be the other people. Here they come. Hey there.
How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Good.
Good, good. How's up there?
Hello. How you doing?
It has some kind of humidity with the hot. When the temperature today is 90, 91 degrees out in the city. Here in the woods, about 85, 86.
It's not even at all. It's like fresh, crisp air.
There she come. How is it? So far? That's good. I thought you're gonna lose you. Right here looks like a heart for sure. She fell off her harvest stone. Still pretty steady, flat. It's not 100% flat, but it's not very inclined, so still looking good. This moss looks like here it's pretty tropical. That have that kind of moss on rocks. There's a lot of moss around here. you can take your body down. That's why the sign over there say, look for the rock monster. It's the elevation.
Oh, Mom would love this trail. Buried even buried that.
In July. Are you doing good so far?
Yes. Kind of hot. But doing great.
Well, the temperature or the weather today, it's 91, 92 degrees, so you cannot expect it not to be hot. It's pretty humid. Humidity is pretty high too.
Yes, you can.
Oh, there it is. I think that's it. It may not be as impressed as it has a hype, but hey, it may us get here. So here's the deck. It has at least you have a peach tree here.
Oh, wow. Peach tree.
So there you go. Let's go up. Just stay down there and go up, and then I get a video, you come down. Wow, look at that. Not too bad. Pretty cool. Okay, come up. So you gotta come up. Well, it's about 15, 20 steps. It's not bad.
Oh, I like this little cute peach tree.
Whew.
That must be the hanging rock. Where you hang on it.
There she is. There's a building. You can go inside here to rest.
Yep.
They have.
A visitor's log.
So they love to see how many people come here every day or every week. So you gotta log our names in it. Oh, it's hot inside here.
It is hot. Can I say we're from Madison?
From Wisconsin. That's all you need.
Madison, Wisconsin.
And here,
What's the date today? 23?
22. That's all. And here you can see, that's a window. It's actually a little cute building. Have a big eagle picture here.
Ooh, it's too hot.
Okay.
I have to get up.
Let's go out there. And,
I have heat in there.
okay, come out from the
Wow.
building. Let's see. It's actually worth the trip to come up here and do this view. This view is incredible view. The hike up here is not bad. It's not steep incline. It's pretty friendly for kids and for elderly people,
And for dogs.
for animal. So this looks incredible. This right on the top of the mountain, I would say the spinal of the mountain. See the mountain?
Backbone.
On the backbone of the mountain. See, this mountain start from here and keep going straight, all the way straight there. And that one over there, wow, it's incredible view. This is taken from the Hanging Rock Observatory Tower in West Virginia. We hike about a mile down from the parking lot in the beginning, and we finally here. And this is how the view looks like up here. There's just incredible view. Beautiful view of this place. All this mountain landscape. In the video, it does not really tell the true story of the naked eye can see. The naked eye can see much more beautiful mountain and landscape than the video can tell. But that's how it is, looks like. This observatory is built right on the backbone of the mountain. It's this rock going from there. You can see this is going straight from there all the way in there, right on the top, the backbone of the mountain. So this is incredible, very beautiful view of this place. Again, we're finally here. So now I just take picture of video of me standing on this observatory building or tower here. So let me walk this way so you can see behind me. It's how nice, how beautiful things. It's just good, beautiful, good looking place and landscape of this mountain. We thought at the beginning it might not be this good, but it worth the trip. If any of you guys have not been here or want to come up here, the hiking trail up here is not bad. It's pretty friendly for anyone, for kids, or for adult people. Even the elderly, it's really friendly. So if you guys see this video, want to come take a look, it's worth the trip. And if you guys, any of you guys have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you subscribe to our channel, we'll sure subscribe to your channel. So again, thank you for watching our video. This is just unbelievable. Just look at behind me. Look at that. Very beautiful. I'm gonna go down and go over there, take a video of this tower, this building. Let's go. This peach tree here, those peaches is not ready to be picked yet. It's just a little bit early. I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste good. It's a restaurant over there. So maybe they have a real restaurant building over there.
There's there's a snake skin, like right between those two rocks.
Whew. That's not good. Yes, the building looks like. Again, it does worth the trip. It does worth the hike to come up here. It has very beautiful view. Of all the mountain landscape. Okay, what do you say?
Oh, I love it here. The only thing we're missing is a picnic basket.
You think it's worth the trip?
Oh yeah, totally worth it. We drove 2 hours here. The hike is not bad. It's only like 0.9 miles.
Okay, we climb up to the Hanging Rocks, watching tower or observatory tower video. We take the challenge here and then all video when we get here. We've been here for a while, so this will be our final clip video. So thank you for watching. What do you guys say?
You guys should come over here and visit.
Is it worth it?
Totally worth it.
You look at the house.
House up on the mountain.
Just look at that. It's an incredible view. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you subscribe to our channel, we sure subscribe to yours. So thank you for watching. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.
Adios.
Right now it's perfect time to, yeah. Looks so amazing.
睇到個博佢啫嘛，擺好。